One pattern creates every clothing size. Here's the amazing science behind pattern grading.
Every garment begins with one master pattern, usually made in a standard medium size.
Pattern engineers assign precise grading rules for every body measurement across all available sizes. Advanced CAD software instantly creates multiple sizes while preserving garment shape and perfect proportions. Every pattern point moves accurately, ensuring each size remains balanced and perfectly proportional throughout.
Experts carefully verify matching seams, collars, sleeves, and notches before production officially begins today.
Approved graded patterns guide automated cutting machines for fast, precise fabric production with minimal waste. Each graded piece reaches sewing lines, becoming perfectly fitted garments in every available size consistently. Sample garments undergo fit testing to ensure comfort, appearance, and consistent sizing across every measurement. Quality inspectors confirm every finished garment matches approved measurements before shipment to customers worldwide today. Pattern grading saves time, reduces costs, improves efficiency, and guarantees consistent garment quality everywhere always. Follow for more fascinating garment manufacturing secrets and incredible factory production technology videos today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.